Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make Party Chat come through your TV on an Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make Party Chat come through your TV, open the menu by pressing the Xbox button on your controller and then scroll to the right to get to the profile page. On here select the settings icon and then choose General from the left. Now select volume and audio output. On the next page, choose additional options and now look for where it says Party Chat output. Select this drop-down box and you can now choose where Party Chat will be played. For example, you could choose speakers for your TV or headset and speakers for both. And so that is how to make Party Chat come through your TV on an Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.